definitely feeling like January out there. It's a little chilly.
It is. And you know, it was kind of soggy today.
Yeah.
I saw that driving around here with Chief Meteorologist George Lessons on the weather deck. George, what's going to happen next?
We had that drizzle and snow today. I had the windshield wipers doing this, out on the highway because, it just wouldn't quit. Everything is damp out here on the weather deck. That may pose a problem later tonight as skies clear in many areas, so I think there's going to be quite a bit of black ice, so watch out for that. 13 weather ball is blinking bright, still some more snow showers in sight, maybe a couple of raindrops south, and it's also green, no change to the chilly but seasonable 30s foreseen. Insert sponsor there. Well, in terms of our weather today, started out dry in Holland, 35 in the afternoon, and then the snow showers came in, got everything kind of damp and wet there for a little bit. It did cover the ground in a few spots north, but that will be melting during the day tomorrow. Just take it easy out on the area roads. Some more snow showers coming down from the north, especially Oceana, Newaygo counties in through there. We've had our snow flurries end for a little while. All of this is just going to kind of dry up over the next several hours as low pressure moves away from us. Put a cold front through us, and that's why the winds came up earlier this week, and now they've died down. High pressure going to build in, and we'll see skies clearing in many areas overnight tonight as the snow showers end. Now it may become mostly cloudy to the north tomorrow afternoon, but a little bit of sunshine and dry weather on Friday. Saturday, we are going to see some snow showers move through the area. Now it looks like they're going to clear out late Saturday night, and right now Sunday looks like it will be dry. So we've kind of flipped or moved the snow showers from Sunday kind of into Saturday just because the weather systems are coming out a little bit faster now. And then later on next week, we're tracking this potential winter storm that is expected to come up into the Great Lakes region. We're not going to show you the exact track only because the track hasn't been settled yet, but I can guarantee you that we'll have some impactful weather on Tuesday, Wednesday next week, and it may linger into the weekend. Snowfall, though, later on tomorrow, later on Saturday, could end up being around an inch around the Benton Harbor, maybe up to South Haven area, but a lot of this will be melting and all of it will be falling during the day on Saturday now. Then the next weather system will be coming out. You can see that system over the weekend, even trending further east. We were going to be originally on the eastern edge of that earlier this week, and now it's taking it all the way into eastern Pennsylvania and on up into the New England states. Temperatures, though, seasonable. Average high is around 31, 32. We're going to be 33 tomorrow. 34 on Friday, and we'll jump our temperatures into the mid and upper 30s on Saturday. Long range outlook from January 9 through 13. We have high chances for warmer temperatures and very high chances that we will see more precipitation. You'll see that at the end of our 10-day forecast coming up. So ending with the snow flurries, skies will be clearing in some areas mid-20s, so watch out for black ice. Northern zones around 20 to 22 with clearing skies after the snow showers end. Similar here in the greater Grand Rapids area. Overnight lows in the low 20s. 13 on your side forecast. So all eyes are on that Tuesday and Wednesday storm system. Maybe some rain mixing in southeast of Grand Rapids on Tuesday, but more snow showers to follow Thursday, Friday, and possibly the following Saturday. Saw a hint of some winter today, some snow flakes across the region. Some areas it was cold enough to accumulate on the grassy areas, but most of it has been melting. Temperatures, though, tonight are going to be dropping, so we're going to see some black ice develop. 13 weather ball is blinking bright. Few more hours of snow showers in sight. It's also green, no change to the chilly but seasonable 30s foreseen.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by LaFontaine Ford Grand Rapids.
As far as our dog walking forecast goes, we're going to see a lot of low clouds, maybe a sprinkle or a snow flurry for Buffy. I know you enjoy the sunshine. Brooke, just watch out for some black ice as skies clear late tonight as temperatures fall into the low 20s in the morning. Still going to give you that conditional green paw as you head out. More sunshine tomorrow. We'll be up to 5.4 out of a 10-point scale as we get some morning sunshine. Winds are going to be about the same as today, not very strong. They'll be out of the north and then shift to the west later on tomorrow. One round of snow showers has come through the Grand Rapids area. Another one coming through Oceana, northern Muskegon, and Newaygo counties right now. That's dropping to the south around that low pressure system that came through with a cold front overnight last night. Dropped our drizzle to snow showers as the day went on, but northerly winds are going to bring in that clearing skies. You can see that on our hour-by-hour forecast. So some sunshine in many areas tomorrow. I think up north it'll stay cloudy. Then the clouds roll in for Friday, but both of those days will be dry. What you're seeing here, this is Saturday morning. One round of some light snow coming on in, with the majority of the snow over the weekend staying well to our east. Originally, we thought we'd still see some snow showers here on Sunday, but that will not be the case now. So light snow throughout the day on Saturday instead of Sunday. And then we're watching the next big system to come out later on next week. We're not going to show you the track of that because it has still not been settled upon. Here's the snow flurries tonight, just trace amounts, and this is the start of our day Saturday. Could see maybe a half, 3/4, up to an inch from about South Haven southward. But a lot of this will be melting as temperatures will be in the mid and upper 30s. The trend toward colder weather is upon us. Cold weather all out west is starting to ooze into the Great Lakes region. That's from the 11th through the 17th of the month. We knew this was going to happen, and as a result, from a warm December to a cold January. And we still have a little higher chance for more precipitation during that 7-day period. So for tonight, we are looking at the snow showers ending, followed by clearing skies in many areas, below freezing. Mid-20s, so watch out for a slick spot, especially on those less traveled surfaces. Around 20 to 22 with the evening snow showers, followed by some clearing skies. With that north wind continuing here in Grand Rapids, we'll eventually drop down into the low 20s after the snow showers end. 13 on your side forecast. Sunshine in Grand Rapids. It may become mostly cloudy off to the north tomorrow. A low in mid-30s, just barely above freezing. Dry both days. There's that snow on Saturday that will end Saturday evening, just mostly cloudy and 37 then Sunday. Warmest day out of the next 10 will be on Mondays. We hit 39. Then late Monday night into Tuesday, we'll see snow develop. Might be mixing with some rain south and east of Grand Rapids, but nonetheless high impacts Tuesday and Wednesday, and then another system coming out with some snow on Thursday. They may tap some cold air from the north. I think it'll transition to lake effect snow the following Friday and Saturday. So there you go, guys. We have some snow that may stick around.
Oh, gosh.
Ooh, finally feeling like winter, about time.
Yeah.
All right, thanks so much, George. Chief Meteorologist George Lessons outside on the weather deck tonight. George, really soggy day out there, wasn't it, Lauren?
Most definitely.
Yeah, the weather deck is just covered with water right now. I'm afraid it's going to be covered with ice in a little while. That's because temperatures are dropping, guys. So watch out for some black ice later on tonight. Still have a few snow flurries out there, especially north. And the 13 weather ball remains blinking bright for that in sight. No change foreseen. That's why the 13 weather ball is green.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by LaFontaine Ford Grand Rapids.
Highs today in the mid-30s, at least above freezing. So most of what fell from drizzle to light snow has been melting, at least here in Grand Rapids, where it's a little closer to freezing up north. It has stuck to the ground. Mid-30s, we forecast 36 today, only made 34, came within our target range. We've done that 2 days in a row so far in 24. Snow showers, we'll have one last shot coming through the Grand Rapids area here in the next hour or two. It's already crept down into southern Newaygo County from the north, most of Muskegon County, and then that'll be pretty much it as skies clear later on tonight. Nationwide, active weather in the southeast with mainly rain, some thunderstorms there, but much of the rest of the country is quiet with the exception of the southwestern U.S. where there are some winter alerts. They're starting to creep out into the western high plains. This is a storm system that will be heading up into the New England states later on this weekend. It'll be moving with this system right there. That's what's going to bring us our light snow. Looks like it's now going to come in on Saturday rather than on Sunday, coming in a little bit faster because the jet stream is just taking off. The real core of the jet is further to the south. Here comes the next wave of energy. This is coming in on Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. This is a pretty deep system, and depending on where the actual low goes will depend on how much snow we get. We're not showing any totals quite yet because the track of the storm is still uncertain, so any amounts that we put out would likely not be correct. But there will be impacts next Tuesday and Wednesday. Then we see another wave coming through on Thursday and Friday that may extend the impact of the winter weather another 48 to maybe 72 hours, and in the wake of that there could be some even colder air for the end of the weekend. This is the snow that we'll see on Saturday, maybe a couple of tenths of an inch up to a quarter to a half, and this is the system down to the south that we may see later on next week, and this is the Sunday system way to our east. So if you're traveling to Pennsylvania on into the New England states over the next several days, you're going to see some snow with that. Skies will be starting out mostly sunny, but it may become mostly cloudy Muskegon northward. Low and mid-30s, about where we were today, a little above freezing, barely to freezing tomorrow. So some of the slippery spots may stick around most of the day. You may see some morning clearing, but some afternoon clouds. And from Grand Rapids southward, I think we'll stay mostly sunny, at least from Grand Rapids south. Highs in the low 30s. 13 on your side forecast. Look for the impacts next Tuesday and Wednesday. Yes, we introduced some rain, especially south and east of Grand Rapids over the southeastern part of the state for Tuesday. Nonetheless, moderate impacts all the way through the following Friday with more accumulating snow, especially Thursday into Friday and possibly Saturday as it transitions from system snows to some lake effect snow and colder temperatures.